Hello, my name is Rachna. In this video, I will show you the three basic functions in Microsoft Excel, like left, right, and mid. Left function in Microsoft Excel. The left function in Microsoft Excel extracts a specified number of characters from the left side of a text string. I have two examples. For example, I will extract the first character from the gender equal left function. Click on male, comma, num underscore char. This is the number of characters that we want to extract from the left side. Insert one, close parenthesis, press enter. Double click. I want to change to the number 2. Second example, I will extract 3 characters from the day name. Equal left function. Click on Monday, comma, 3, close parenthesis, press enter. Click and scroll down. Right function. The right function in Microsoft Excel extracts a specified number of characters from the right side of a text string. I have two examples. For example, I will extract the last 4 numbers from the phone number. Equal right function. Click on the phone number, comma, 4, close parenthesis, press enter. Click and scroll down. Second example, I will use the right function to change the employee ID. The formula meaning that extract the last 5 characters and add 2026 after. Press enter. Double click. Lastly, mid function. The mid function in Excel extracts a specific number of characters in a text string based on the position you provide. I have two methods to use the mid function. Let me show you the first method. Equal mid function. Text. This is the text string from which to extract the character. Click on text, comma, start underscore num. This is the starting position for extraction. Insert number 9, comma, num underscore char. This is the number of characters that will be extracted. Insert number 6, close parenthesis, and press enter. Click and scroll down to run all the formula. The second method. Equal. Click on mid function. Click on text, comma, click on the position number, comma, click on the number of characters, close parenthesis, press enter. Double click to run all the formula.